Stop buying average watches and upgrade to a Rolex Sea-Dweller instead. Here's why. Reason 1. Unmatched durability. The Sea-Dweller is built like a tank, surviving depths up to 4,000 feet. Reason 2. Classic luxury. This watch isn't just stuff, it's a beauty, with its sleek design and iconic Rolex crown. Reason 3. Precision timekeeping. With Rolex's top-notch automatic movement, you'll never miss a second. Reason 4. Value investment. Rolex watches hold their value, sometimes even appreciating over time. Reason 5. Wear it anywhere. Whether it's a formal event or an underwater adventure, the Sea-Dweller fits perfectly. So, if you want a watch that's stylish, functional, and a great investment, the Rolex Sea-Dweller is worth every penny.